What's up guys, it's Dan. Happy New Year. Sorry I haven't uploaded in a while. I decided to take a sudden break from videos with holidays and taking care of other stuff. But I'm back. So, back with another video, whether you're excited or not. This one's going to be a bit different. This is going to be, as you can see in the title, a DIY challenge. This might become a series of videos, maybe, depending on how well this one goes. So, as you can also see in the title, I'm going to be making a birdhouse. A simple birdhouse. You can see I got my wood, tools. So what's the challenge? Well, if this becomes a series, there will be a set of rules for each of these DIY challenges I do. And one big rule for this challenge is I can't use any of this. So what do I build this birdhouse with? Well, what I have in here are the tools I'm going to be using. This is all I can use for this project. Kids' tools. Let's see what we got. We got a saw, hammer, a square, adjustable pliers, a whole bunch of other stuff, even a drill. So, yeah, whole bunch of plastic kids' tools. And that's all I can use for this. Now, if this is all I'm limited to, I have to make sure these last. Well, first I have to figure out if they can actually do the job. Got a whole mess of tools here. Even it comes with a level, ball level, and measuring tape. So I won't need a ruler. It actually comes with a ruler, folding ruler right here. Now I can use a couple of real items, which include a pencil to mark out, measure, and draw my stuff, and real hardware. These are just sort of nails. So for this wood, it's just a craft plywood. You can get like at a hobby store. It's 1/4 inch. So it's not too thick for these. Maybe it will be, I don't know. But it's not too thin, it's still quite sturdy. One of the biggest challenges will be the hole. The birdhouses have a little hole for the birds to go into. This drill, you can just pinch this and lock it. It's not that strong. And it comes with a little plastic drill bit, which you can see is not sharp at all. It's very blunted. So I don't know if I can even use that. Now I'm gonna have to figure out how to cut my pieces out. So that's gonna be the big thing. Assembling it might not be so hard. It does have a hammer, somewhat sturdy. Yeah. If not, I can use anything else. Or maybe I'll use this for a hammer. It's got batteries in it, so it's got some mass to it. Now, yes, I'm only limited to using these tools, but I'm not limited on how I use it. If I find a way to use them in another way to help me out, then I will. Alright, let's begin. Okay, first I want to draw out my birdhouse pattern. Let's see. Now I only have this piece of wood to use. I forget the measurements. Yeah. Alright. Inches on this side. Okay. Yes, I'm actually doing this in a legit manner. Because sometimes you might not have the right tools. You know, I've had to improvise at times. It's just what might happen as you do your projects. I don't think this square is really square. That looks more than or less than 90 degrees, but That's all I got. Okay. That's my roof panels. Now I have to cut it out. I have to make sure this lasts. But yeah, let's try it out. Let's see how well it can actually cut. It's marking it. Okay. It's not really going through, so I'm going to create a notch with this flathead and hammer. Give it some place for the blade to stay. It ain't doing shit. The blades are intact though. Huh, alright. Saw is actually a toy. So, what can I do? I can probably score it using a flathead. I might have to score and break. Maybe I'll use the knife first. It is a bit sharper. Alright, let's try that out. Oh yeah. This will just take forever still, but better results than the saw. Oop. Oh, I'm already wearing it out, wearing out the tip. This is a challenge, so this is a test of how long I can persist. Despite all the cutting you saw, or all the sawing actually, that's as much as it did. It just made a little dent. I might have to like score and break the wood. I mean, I can't even score it that well. I just create a little divot. And how am I gonna do the hole? I'll have to see. Who the hell came up with this idea? I did say I can use real hardware. And I did say that I'm not limited to how I use what's available to me. Comment down below if you think this is cheating. Because it might be. There we go. I'm still using the tools here. Oh. Okay. All right. I got it cut. It's messy, but it's cut. I am limited to what I have to work with here, so. Ooh, the pliers work nice. Look at that. Let me test out the file. I'm screwing up the file. So, that's going to be my method. Scoring it with a nail and a straight edge on both ends and then breaking. Let's see what happens. Ooh, not bad. Now I just need to hammer these together. Maybe. There we go. Last one. Alright. I got my roof assembled. Yay. Okay. The hammer isn't worn all too much. It's got markings obviously, but it's still intact. Now I can draw out the rest of the house. So I just need 4 walls and a floor. So what I plan to do is just, that's already a 90, so we'll use that corner. Oh. Whew. I got it. There we go. Jeez, that just broke like a wafer. Not bad for just scoring. Now I have to make another one of these. Yes, this will go right here. Alright, I got all my sides cut out. Now, the hole. So let me try something like that. I need elevation. Okay. There we go. There's my hole. All shitty and whatever. Hey, it's a hole. That's all it needs. the perch. Just a nail. Don't worry, I don't feel it back here because it kind of pushed the plywood layer out, so it didn't go through the last layer. So, but anyway, yeah, this is my birdhouse that I made with using kids' tools. I mean, I used the nails to score the wood so I can cut it, but I was using these tools, some of the pliers, the hammer especially. It is beat up, but it's still intact. I can still use this for future DIY challenges if I want. Some of the tools here did get worn out, like the blade and the screw, the flathead, the saw, which I don't care because I can't use that at all. But yeah, this is my birdhouse. My nails are coming out already. So yeah, that'll be it for this video. My first DIY challenge. It took a while. I don't know when I started, but I know it's been maybe a couple hours. It's just trying to find out how to make things work. Stay tuned for more of these if I decide to do more. Let me know if you like this and if I should make it a little mini series of DIY challenges. But anyway, that'll be it. And I'll see you guys in the next video, and you have a happy new year.